Hello everyone, James from Junkyard Fox. Thank you so much for joining me. We are out here camping for a couple days for my birthday. We're just relaxing and enjoying ourselves, and I decided to take a look at this grill right here. This is the UCO Portable Flatpack Grill, and this thing is just awesome. So of course we're going to be testing it out. I have been testing it out for about 2 going on 3 months, and I'm just really loving it. So of course I'm going to give you guys the technical rundown, the specs, all that stuff, and then from there we're going to get to cooking. And you know we love cooking on this channel, so we're going to make some bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers with it. Stick around. It gets its name, the Flatpack Grill, for this reason. It can just be put away very tidy. It comes with this beautiful sleeve, which is going to be made out of cordura. Very nice, hardy stuff, and I like the color. And of course, it complements my Hidden Woodsman pack. So you just have it in your pack, open it up, pull it out, and then it's easy to go. So it's very simple to maneuver this, and I really like that leather right there. Very nice, very handsome. Okay, so then you open this up. Little Velcro flap. Remove the contents. Now it comes with the grill, of course. It also comes with these little tongs, I guess, to adjust the grill, move it around. Or honestly, I even use this sometimes, like when we're moving stuff around, green chili or sausages. I even use this, little tongs. And of course, here's the grill. And it's extremely easy to set up. Open this up. There we go. All right, so then this is where you place your fuel, your fire, your coals, whatever it is that you're going to be using, and then holds to get some air going in there. And then, of course, once you got it nice and hot, you place your grill. And there we go. Extremely easy, extremely simple, and it's actually very handsome looking, really, to be honest. So, once again, ours is a little dinged up because it's been the 3rd day that we've been camping. Of course, I just take it home, wash it up, clean it up, and it's ready to go again. Now, there's 2 varieties to these grills. There's a large one and a smaller one. This one's the 10 by 13 inches size, and you know it's really up to you. If you're gonna go basically like say on a day hike, or you want something light for your bug out bag, whatever the case may be, you might want to go with the smaller one. We're out camping, stuff like that, so I prefer the regular size one personally. But really good stuff. I really enjoy it, and I've been using it a lot. And the beauty of this item is that not only can it be used while out camping, or you know you're out on a hike or whatever, but I use this actually in my yard. I'll be in my porch on my days off from work, relaxing, and we'll be cooking up some steaks on here, and I really enjoy it. It's far superior to the little grill I had prior. So, okay, you guys have seen the specs, so now it's time for us to get a fire going, and we're gonna get a little nice bed of coals, and we're gonna start cooking up some jalapeno poppers. This is the final product. Don't tell me that doesn't look good. Now, in fact, if anything, the grill worked a little too well, and the bottom sides are a little burnt. Not too bad. I mean, nothing catastrophic, and we're definitely going to enjoy them. So, it's time to chow down. Hope y'all are hungry. That is good. That is damn good. Alright folks, so final thoughts on the UCO Flatpack Grill. I very much enjoy this grill. I've been using it a ton since I got it, and I was actually really excited for it. I actually requested to UCO if they could send it to me, and they were very kind enough to do that, so thank you so much, UCO. In all honesty, I mean, I'm not trying to sound like a fanboy, but I'm really enjoying UCO products. They're very innovative. They do what they were meant to do. This is a grill, or like the lantern, the portable lantern that I reviewed a couple months back. But at the same time, they just take it one step further, and they're just designed very well, and they're very tough as well. So I've been using this a lot. We were out camping here for a couple days, and I'll just shoot a little montage at the end, you know, showing what we've cooked in here, some green chili, some steak, all that stuff. And I like it. So just the design of it just brings up the heat. There's holes here to allow some air, and I like the fact that it can just be folded up and it's not going to be too cumbersome. It's definitely something so far superior to even the grill I have at home that I actually use this now. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link below for our Amazon store. That way it helps support this channel so we can keep doing adventures like this and videos like that. So I very much appreciate that. Also, go ahead and click on the notification bell so you guys can be updated for our videos. And that's about it. So we're going to enjoy our lunch, enjoy the rest of our camping trip. Go ahead and give us a like if you enjoyed this video. And go ahead and comment below, what would you like to cook on this grill? What would be the perfect camp meal using this? Alright guys, so I'll see you guys next week with another video. Now go outside and get your boots dirty.